in the third round of our Nostalgia Superstock. And man, oh man, here comes the Harley Sons car. It's Harley Day. Day and Sons out of Delroy, Ohio, the 64 Plymouth Savoy 426, taking on the Galaxie out of Cincinnati, Ohio. Gene Edberg, the number 6 qualified machine. He gets a handicap on the starting line. 0-1's the tree to an 0-2. Now Day's got to bring that Plymouth around. Can he do it? Harley Day down on the top end. The win light looks like it goes to the Galaxie. 12-16. To an 11-23, but it looked like Gene Edberg would be there for the win in this round. Next up, the other Day team. It could be a payday. Let's see. It's going to be Jeff Day, number 3 qualified machine, out of Delroy, Ohio, with the Byron in the 64 Fury 446. Waiting on it. He has the track to himself. Running in that index number. Let's see. The D Nostalgia Superstock will go to the final to face the E-Nostalgia Superstock Galaxie of Edberg. Down on the top end, you can see the index, 1150 index for that E-Nostalgia Superstocker. Down on the top end, look at this, 1150 and an 1150 index. A beautiful run, 1152, 115. He'll advance to the finals in Nostalgia Superstock. The Nostalgia Superstock final. I'll tell you, these are 2 cars that really deserve to be here, running strong all weekend. The E-Nostalgia Superstocker, number 6 qualified machine of Gene Edberg, coming out of Cincinnati, Ohio, with a beautiful burnout. Ripping it up in that 64 Galaxie. He'll take on the 64 Fury out of Delroy, Ohio. It's Jeff Day, the number 3 qualifier. And the D-Nostalgia Superstock entry, it looks like the handicap on the tree will go over to the E-car of Gene Edberg. Watch him leave. Running on that 12-second index, he'll be leaving first. 1150 by a half a second. There it is in the tree. Look at a Ford banging a gears, finding himself out to the 8th mile. Can he hang on for a victory? He needs to run that 12 back. Down on the top end, he does. It looks like Edberg takes the win, 12:02 on a 12 flat index at 106.